Hey Miss Deborah, this is Austin at Hunt Ford Chrysler in Franklin, Kentucky. I just wanted to take a quick minute and show you this 2012 Jeep Liberty you expressed interest in. This is a really nice, clean little car. It's got a great set of tires on it. There are pretty much no defects that I saw whatsoever, except one tiny little spot that I'm going to show to you. It's got a great set of tires on it. The wheels look good. It does have the tow package on it. All right. You can see here too in the back. Plenty of room. Interior here in the back is in good shape. It doesn't look like it's really been roughed up or anything. Show you down the driver's side here. I did see one tiny little spot right there, but that can be touched up. Interior and driver's seat is in really good shape. Currently this vehicle's got 53,190 miles. There's a shot of the back seat. Really nice little car. Hope this provides a little more clarity as to the quality of our vehicle. You can see on the front here, no real rock chips that are visible or anything like that. There are a couple of holes here where somebody had a front license plate on there. And you can see that right there, that discoloration, that's just bug guts. We'll wash that off for you. So I hope this helps. We'd love to have your business. Remember, we're the home of no dealer fees and no doc fees. Thanks a bunch. Have a great day.